Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Mrs. Lizzy Leeroy from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw 2 circles for the eyes. Then let's hop in and let's draw another circle inside each one. And now color both of these in black. Next, let's move on top and let's add some eyelashes. And then lastly, let's add an angled line above each eye. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the nose. In the center, let's start with a curve across and then bring it down on both sides. And then color it in black. Now underneath, let's draw a short line down. And then from the sides of the nose, let's draw a curve down on both sides. And then let's add a curve across. Next, let's move in and let's draw the lips. From the top, let's draw 2 curves. And then 1 curve on the bottom. Now let's move to the sides and let's continue the line by curving it down and in. And then close it off at the bottom with a curve across. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop up and let's start drawing the hair. Let's start on top and let's draw a wavy line across, dipping it down in the center. Then on the top left, let's draw a curve up and then curve it down. And the same on the right. Now for the end, let's bring it back up slightly. Now let's hop back up to the top in the center and let's draw another larger curve on top and bring it down. And then curve it back up at the ends. Next, on the top, let's add the ears. We'll start with the curve up and curve it down. And the same thing on the right. And then add 1 more curve inside near the top. Now let's hop into the center and let's draw a curve out on both sides for the top of the head. Next, let's hop back down and let's finish drawing the shape of the face. On the left side, around eye level, let's draw a curve down and bring it in. And the same thing on the right. Then let's add 1 more pointed piece down and curve it back into the mouth. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath the left side of the head and let's draw a curve out and down, and the same on the right for the tops of the shoulders. Now let's continue the line by bringing it out and then leave a gap and let's draw the other side of the arm underneath. Then from the armpit, let's curve it down from both sides for the sides of the torso. Now let's hop back to the sides and let's finish drawing the arms. Let's draw another set of curves at the ends. And now let's draw the hands at the ends. For the inside line, let's draw a small curve down, then a curve down and back up for the thumbs. Now for the next finger, we're going to curve it out and back up. Then another one behind it. And then one more to close off each hand. Lastly, let's draw a curve inside each finger for the fingernails. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move back in and let's finish drawing the legs. From the sides of the body, let's curve it out and then down on both sides. And now let's hop inside and let's draw a curve across. And then bring it down for the sides of the legs. Now let's add the feet at the bottom. Underneath both sides, let's draw a curve out and down. Now in the center, let's draw a diamond shape for the first nail. Then let's curve it out and up on both sides of the diamond. Now let's add another diamond on the left side and the right. And the same in the other foot. Now let's close off the bottom of the feet with a small curve in the gaps. And that's it for the shape of the body. Now let's move up and let's add the details. Let's start by drawing a large heart shape on the chest. And next, let's hop up and add the wings. From the tops of each of the shoulders, let's draw a curve going up. Then from the top, a small curve going out. And then an S-shaped curve going down, ending under the hands. And then from the ends, let's curve it back up into the body. Now let's move inside and let's add some details. Let's draw a curved line along the top. And then from the top of this line, let's curve it back down. And then two more curves underneath. And that's it for the wings. Lastly, let's add the tail. We'll start under the body between the legs and let's draw a curve down and over to the right. And then let's continue it on the other side by curving it up. Now let's add another curve on top in the same way. And then close off the end with a small curve. Next, at the end, let's draw a wavy line up and curve it back down. And then add one more curve inside at the bottom. And that's it for Lizzy Leeroy. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!